This faceless channel has made me over $500,000 so far, and in the next 2 minutes I'll show you how you can do the same. First, don't just choose any niche, this is outdated advice. Instead, build your channel around demand so that you're basically guaranteed views. To find demand, scroll through your homepage until you find viral videos on channels with very few subscribers. Like this video here, which has 400,000 views on a channel with just 7,000 subscribers. All you would need to do now is build your channel around this high demand topic, just like this small channel did, who used the demand for this content to their advantage and got an easy 300,000 views on their video. So find the demand, then supply the demand. Now, if you're not bothered to go through YouTube and find channels like these ones yourself, I'll leave a link to this huge list of profitable faceless channels for you to check out in the description below. Next, subscribe to at least 20 of your competitors. Study them daily for new video ideas. You want to look out for their outlier videos and then produce different or better versions of them. An outlier video is a video that has more views than the channel's average view count. So once you've got your next video idea ready, you need to master the click. If you don't get clicks, you won't get views. Keep your title short and to the point, 50 characters at most. People naturally look for numbers, so use them in your title to help it stand out. For thumbnails, use the rule of thirds to position your text and objects. Be sure to use contrast so that you actually have a chance to stand out. Choose one of these 3 ways to do this with your thumbnail. Or better yet, just use this prompt and ask ChatGPT to make one for you. You can even directly paste in competitor thumbnails and ask for something similar. Make sure you get this part right, because your thumbnail and title will be 80% of your success. If you can create curiosity within your title and thumbnail, you'll get the click. If you can get the click, you'll get the views. Next, make your video. Use ChatGPT for the script, 11 Labs or Fiverr for the voiceover. Find video editors and thumbnail artists on Upwork, X, or Discord, or do it all yourself using CapCut and Canva. Start uploading your videos, and before you know it, you could have a faceless channel well on its way to making $10,000 a month while you sleep. And guys, if you want my help personally building a channel just like this one, join my school community, link in the description below.